Are you thinking about moving to Fort Worth, Texas? If so, I want to show you one of my favorite neighborhoods. This is on the southwest side of Fort Worth, kind of near Crowley, and this neighborhood is called Candleridge. We'll check out the park and we'll check out the neighborhood surrounding it and some of the shopping that's kind of around the neighborhood. It's a little bit older neighborhood. And then if you'll stick around to the end, we will do a full tour of one of the homes that's currently on the market. Hey, I'm Debbie Bird, and if you are thinking about moving to Fort Worth, whether it's the next month or next year, I would love to be part of that journey. If this is your first time to the channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the like button if you like this. So let's get to the good stuff. Let me show you around. Candleridge is a residential neighborhood located in southwest Fort Worth, Texas. It was first developed in the 1970s and has since become a well-established community in Fort Worth. Because it's an older neighborhood, it's covered with great big beautiful trees. And while the shopping around here isn't anything to write home about, there are several convenient chain grocery stores, a super Walmart, plenty of convenient bus stops, and my husband's favorite, the Ace Hardware. I think it's his second home. There's mostly fast food restaurants and an assortment of small restaurants offering various international foods. And my favorite place to eat in this neighborhood is right here at Soul Man's Barbecue. My very favorite part of this neighborhood, though, besides its plethora of cul-de-sacs, is the most amazing park, walking trail, and green space, maybe in all of Fort Worth. I personally live in a neighborhood next to this one and come walking here almost every morning. Not only are there the 3 or 4 miles worth of walking trails through this neighborhood, but there's also a brand new park and playground right here that the city just upgraded. And there are ducks everywhere. My kids actually call this place the Duck Pond. The neighborhood is served by Fort Worth Independent School District, Fort Worth ISD as we call it, which includes several schools as well as multiple charter schools within 5 or 10-minute drive. It also is just a 10-minute drive to multiple of the big private schools in the area. Candleridge at one time was the hot new suburb in Fort Worth and was voted Neighborhood of the Year many times in the 90s. It has mostly traditional one-story ranch homes with the 1970s and 1980s ranging from 1,800 square feet to around 3,000 square feet, but also has a few that are more of a modern vibe from the 1970s that are very cool. The price point here is usually between $350,000 and $450,000. Many have swimming pools, and occasionally you can still find a fixer-upper under $350,000 that hasn't been snagged yet. Okay, I think it's time for us to go see one that's currently listed. This one is listed at $445,000. It sits on a cul-de-sac and has a rear entry garage with that really long driveway. Let's go see inside. All right, so this house has a little bit over 2,600 square feet. When you first walk in, there's this big open space that used to be the formal living room. They use it as an office. And then you've got this beautiful, huge living room with cathedral ceilings and those beams and a wood-burning brick fireplace. Then we come to the sunroom, which is my very favorite part of this entire house. Those windows and the lighting in here are just stunning, and that floor too. Then we've got breakfast room and kitchen. This part hasn't really been renovated, but it's got all new appliances. And then we walk into the laundry room. That's a garage door. There's this area over here that's got a full bathroom and bedroom off on this side of the house. This bedroom also has a little door that accesses that bathroom. Then we'll go across to the hallway. Down on this side of the house, there are 3 more bedrooms and 2 more bathrooms. So that makes 4 bedrooms, 3 baths total. Bedroom number 3. Bathroom number 2. It's a really good size. Lots of built-in storage. Bathtub, shower combo. Hi. Then here's the primary bedroom, which I didn't get a video of, but it actually has a really large closet. This bathroom has been renovated. Separate shower over here with some blue marble. It's really pretty. Now we're gonna walk back through the house so you kind of get a little bit more vibe of how it feels, the flow and the walkthrough of it. But y'all, this is where it gets really good. Saltwater pool, this really cute patio. Then you have an additional deck over here for dining. Garden space. Can you imagine just jumping in this pool in the summer? Which in Texas is about 9 months of the year. Then you've got this great gate that leads out to the area where there is a storage shed in the background, and you've got all of this parking space in front of your garage and gated entrance into your backyard. Again, my name is Debbie Bird, and I am embarrassingly easy to find. All of my contact information is in the description box. So just reach out when you're ready, and I'd be happy to make your move to Fort Worth a great one. I'll see y'all soon.